bachelor's, you studied about your high-end electrical, all your power systems. You studied your electronics, your power electronics, microcontrollers. Everyone probably goes through all these courses. And towards my fourth year, my last year in my undergrad is when I specialized more in the power systems area, and more is what I focused on optimization. That's where I worked with my advisor, and that's what even my thesis was, and I had a few publications on that. So I was really interested in that. I was working on heuristics, and as I said, I was solving optimization problems, working on those techniques, applying them to power system problems. And my focus was, I wanted to continue that work. I started it, I enjoyed it, and I wanted to do more research in that field. In general, for any master's program, they ask you to do 30 credits in the US. And the courses can vary from 3 credits to 4 credits. So you're roughly looking at 8 to 10 courses you need to do. And a lot of them are, in terms of core, I don't remember too well, I think maybe 2 or 3 are mandatory, and then the rest of them are all electives. So, you can really, there's a huge option pool for you to pick from. You can take courses from the computer science if you're more interested in your programming skills, you want to sharpen that. Like I had also taken one course from the computer science because I was more into optimization that involved some kind of programming and coding too. So yeah, you're pretty much free to look around and see what you like. There's no restrictions. That's a little hard, I would say. At least in my program, mine was just a 2-semester, 9-month program. So really switching over was not even an option. Like if you're here for a generic master's, a 2-year program, maybe after the first semester, but I've not really heard cases of that. It may be a slight, as I said, you can orient yourself more towards courses, like say you came with the intention more of doing electrical, but you ended up liking more of the computer science part. So you can take more courses of that, and at the same time make sure you balance your requirements. So in that way you can focus more on another major if you want, but not like a complete switch, I would say. There was a lot of analog, VLSI, and my power systems was fairly popular too. To get your degree to graduate, you have to complete an entire thesis, prepare a presentation, and just show your findings, what you've really done, and your advisor won't, just let you off the hook that, okay, you've done something. It has to be meaningful. We had weekly meetings, bi-weekly meetings, showing progress, updates. You just want to brush up a few skills, or what's coming ahead for you. You have some specific plans that you want to work towards, and if you're weak in some area or lacking on something, there's no harm in just doing a few touch-ups and making sure you're up to the mark.